On the final slide in this lecture, I want to show you what the big picture looks like, how all of this information fits together. All of the components of this pyramid must be aligned for optimal performance. At the top of the pyramid, we have the organization's mission or its purpose. Then we have its values or the principles that represent the organization's beliefs, culture, norms. Then we have its vision, which represents what the organization looks like in the ideal future, its strategy, and a strategy map with its specific objectives can then be created. Then we have the balanced scorecard, which aligns the strategy with the specific initiatives and activities that the organization is going to undertake. From there, we have the department level and individual level measures, targets, initiatives, and activities that will help realize the strategy. At the very bottom of the pyramid, we have the strategic management system, which includes processes like budgeting and compensation. The goal of any business is to align these different factors so that the organization can reach its full potential. The process is easier said than done, but the companies that can typically outperform their competitors. So that's the good news.